Hi class and welcome to today's math lesson. Let's get started by reading our I can statement. I can solve addition and subtraction word problems. We're going to be doing this today. We started this last week and we are going to do a review because it is Wednesday. Before we do that, let's get started with our fact fluency. 2 plus 1, 3. 3 plus 1, 4. 7 plus 1, 8. 1 plus 7, 8. 1 plus 6, 7. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 4, 5. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 1, 2. 0 plus 1, 1. All right, let's move on to 2's. I want you to read these or say these aloud, the answers aloud. 9 plus 2, 11. 7 plus 2, 9. 6 plus 2. Remember, you can use your strategy if you want to. 6, count on 2, 7, 8. Make sure you learn those automatically though. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 2, 5. 0 plus 2, 2. 2 plus 9, 11. 2 plus 8, 10. 2 plus 6, 8. All right, let's move on to our 3's. 4 plus 3, 7. 2 plus 3, 5. 1 plus 3, 4. 5 plus 3, 8. 6 plus 3. You can use your strategy if you want to. 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1 plus 3, 4. 3 plus 3, that's a double, 6. 9 plus 3, 12. 1 plus 3, 4. 8 plus 3, 11. 7 plus 3, 10. That's a partner to 10, isn't it? 3 plus 6, 9. Very good. Please keep practicing those on your own. Okay, let's get started. We are going to solve some word problems together. I will read it to you. We're going to write a number sentence. Then we're going to show our work of how we completed that problem. I noticed some of us forgot to show our work last week. We're going to make sure we always draw a picture or a number line or something else to show your work. What I like to do the best is draw a picture. That is the easiest to understand. So we might ask you to draw a picture each time and write a number sentence each time you do a word problem to show me that you know how to complete it. Okay, let's get started. Let's read this. Tommy has 18 toy cars, and 3 of them break apart while playing. How many cars does he have left? These words, have left, tell me that we are doing addition or subtraction. We're doing subtraction. Very good job. How many does he have left? Some got taken away or broken. And you're just going to watch me do this one, but then we will do the next one on our notebook together. So the first thing we're going to do, so this is subtraction. In a subtraction problem, I always know I start with my biggest number. So I'm going to start my number sentence. 18, take away, here's one number. Take away, how many? 3. 3 equals what? We need to find out how many it equals. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to draw a picture to show my work. So let's start by drawing 18 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I'm going to go back and I'm going to double check that I drew 18 circles, because if I did not draw 18 circles and I drew a different number, my answer will be incorrect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Okay, perfect. Now I'm going to cross out how many I need to take away. So I'm going to cross out 1, 2, 3, because 3 of them broke apart while playing. How many does he have left? Let's go back and let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Say, oh, I don't know if I counted that correctly. I want to go back and double check it. Let's go back and double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 18 take away 3 is 15. I just completed my word problem. I read my word problem. I determined if it is addition or subtraction. Then I started my number sentence. Next, I drew my picture to show my work, which you have to do. You cannot just write your number sentence. You have to show your work by drawing a picture. Or you may draw a number line, but I prefer a picture because it's better or easier to understand. Then I counted how many were left and found the answer. Let's do our next one together. Thank you for being patient, boys and girls. Okay, let me pull up my screen real quick. Okay, Rose has 12 bears. Let's read this together. Rose has 12 bears and gives Chloe 5. How many does she have left? These two words, have left, show me that it's an addition or subtraction problem. That's right, it's a subtraction problem because we're seeing how many are left over. I want you to go ahead and pull out your notebook and a pencil and you're gonna follow along with me. We're gonna do this one together. So I see 2 numbers in this problem. I see Rose has 12 bears to start with. In a subtraction problem, I always put my biggest number first because I'm taking away from that number. So she has 12 to start with. I'm going to write 12 here. And I know it's take away. 12 take away what? And gives Chloe 5. 12 take away minus 5. Equals, we don't know, we're gonna have to find it out. So now I have to show my work by drawing a picture. I'm gonna start by drawing my 12 circles. And I'm gonna draw circles just because they're quicker and easier to draw rather than drawing a whole bear. Okay, let's go ahead and draw 12 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I'm gonna go back and double check that I drew 12 of these. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I did. Now, how many am I going to cross out? How many did she give away? 5. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's see how many are left over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I double checked just to make sure. So in your own notebook, I want you to write the same exact thing that I am. You do not have to write the question. I want you to write the number sentence, though, and show your work with me to show me that you know how to show your work and write a number sentence in a word problem. Great job. Now, let's do a couple more. Feel free to pause the video if you need to write this down. Okay, let's move on to this one. Isabel has 11 Barbie dolls. Lucy has 8 Barbie dolls. How many dolls do they have all together? Ooh, that word right here tells me, am I adding or subtracting? That's the first thing I have to do when I look at a word problem. Am I adding or subtracting? I am adding. All together means I'm adding. Okay, now I need to look at my numbers and go and start my number sentence. So Isabel has 11 Barbie dolls. So I'm going to write 11 here. Lucy has 8 Barbie dolls. How many do they have all together? That's what we're going to draw. Now, when I draw a picture, when I do addition, I am not going to draw all my circles all together because I can't tell what are your different numbers. So I am going to stack them or leave enough space between my pictures. I'm going to stack them on this one. And I'm going to use a different color so my brain can tell the different numbers, me drawing the different numbers. So let's start by drawing 11 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now let's draw 8 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now I'm going to go back and I'm going to count how many I have all together. You can't really see it super well in the black here, but I drew in blue my 8 circles. So let's count these now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I have 19 circles. I have 19 circles. So 8 or 11 plus 8 equals 19. Now I'm going to go ahead and show us what we do for Seesaw today. So we have a word problem here. I'm going to show you how to do the addition one, and then you are going to do this exact addition one on your own, and you're going to do a subtraction one too. Okay, so let's get started. I'm going to pull out my marker, and I'm going to read this word problem. Anne ate 5 apples. Then she ate 3 more. How many apples did she eat in all? So these words, in all, tell me that it's addition. I know it's addition because we're adding them in all. So I'm going to go ahead and it tells you to start by drawing a picture. So I'm going to draw a picture, and I see I have 5 apples, and I also have 3 more. So let's go ahead and draw this. I'm going to draw my 5 apples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I'm going to use different colors. I'm just drawing circles per usual. I'm going to use different colors so I can tell the difference between the 2 numbers that I'm drawing. Then I'm going to use green for my 3, and I'm going to stack them. You can either stack them or leave enough space between them. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I just drew my picture. Now I'm going to show my work in the 10 frame. So I'm going to draw 5 counters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going to draw 3 more counters in my 10 frame to show my work. Then I'm going to show it on a number line. So remember, I start my dot at my biggest number for addition problems, and I do however many hops my other add end is. So how many hops would I do? I would do 3. 1, 2, 3. And where we end is our total. So let's go ahead and write our number sentence. So we have 5 plus 3 equals, what does it equal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's count in our 10 frame. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we have, it ended at 8. So 5 plus 3 equals 8. And this is one of our fact fluency problems as well. Then you will write your final answer as well. You will write 8 here. You will do this for your addition one, and you will do a subtraction one as well. I will have an example on the board or on your Seesaw activity for you to look back at if you need help. Notice how I use many different strategies. You may use your math toolkit to help you if you need. All right, great job, boys and girls. I love reviewing word problems with you today. Keep up the great work.